On the 5th day of Leanmas, the LEANSQUAD gave to me one full body low impact hit that you can do anywhere. I think I was a little bit off tune there. Maybe it's a jet lag. We'll chalk it up to the jet lag. Welcome back, squaddies, to day 5. Day 5 of Leanmas. I'm super proud of everyone who has smashed the first 4 days, and I'm also super proud of everyone who's excited to keep the leanness going. Today is a low impact 7-minute hit that you can do anywhere. It's all body weight, and regardless of your fitness level, you are going to be able to smash this one and get your body moving, get your body energized, and get you feeling your best throughout the holiday season, because that is exactly what we are set out to do. So make sure you save this workout, and also this is a great workout to have in your lean bank for when you travel, because as you can see, I'm in a hotel room because I just got to Maui, and I am going to get that jet lag out of me so I have a better sleep and I feel a whole lot more energized tomorrow morning, and all it takes is 7 minutes. So without further ado, let's dive into it. It is 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. You are just gonna follow me, and it's only 7 exercises. But before we do, remember, make sure you subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. If you do that, you are going to be a lean winner. Otherwise, get your bottle of water, get your body ready, and let's get down to the leanness. One we're going to do is hand walkouts to a push-up, back up, and you stand up nice and tall. Now, if you struggle with the push-up, you're gonna drop down to your knees and do the push-up from your knees, all right? Otherwise, get excited. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It is time to get lean, down, and push up. So you can see I bend my knees as I'm going out and coming back up. It's a squat on the back up. So we're using our lower body while engaging our core, our shoulders, and our arms. This really is a full body movement, and these are really effective at not only burning fat, but also building lean tone muscle, because you're strengthening and utilizing so many different muscle groups. There we go, 3, 2, 1. Whew. And now we rest for 20 seconds. Next exercise is gonna be a high knee to elbow. So the knee is coming straight up. And you can see this is a low impact exercise. We're not making a ton of noise. We're not gonna annoy our neighbors when we're traveling. And we're not bouncing around if we've got bad joints. 3, 2, 1. Just across like that. And then we're gonna pick up a tempo. And really crunch. You're gonna engage that core and try and pick up the pace. I'll show you from the side. And you can see my knees coming out. My elbow is what's coming across the body. 15 seconds to go. There we go, 10 seconds. Now, if you guys have been smashing these first days, I want you to be really, really proud. 2, 1, do not underestimate what you've already accomplished. That is a huge step in the right direction heading into 2020. Next up is no push-up, no jump. So I'll do it this way. I don't have a lot of room, so we're just up and up, feet back and up. 2, 1, so it's like a burpee. It's called a burpee get up. Up, squat up, feet back, and make sure you throw those feet all the way back. That way, you're inviting your core to the party. And again, really engaging as many muscle groups as we can. And that's how you really get the best results in the least amount of time. Come on. Keep pushing, 10 seconds. Likewise, if you do this workout, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. 3, 2, 1. That way, you'll never miss the leanness again. And you're part of the squad. Then you're really part of the squad. We want to be friends, right? We want to be friends. Make sure you get that done. And on that note, tag me at LEANSQUAD on Instagram if you don't follow me. That is where I do a lot of my posting, a lot of motivation, and I forgot to tell you what the next exercise is. Lunge, squat. Here we go, straight into it. Lunge, squat, lunge, lunge, squat, just like that. Lunge, lunge, squat. And you can see my heart rate's already up. Lunge, lunge, squat. I'm not flying around. But most importantly, after a crazy few days of travel, Air Canada had us on hold last night for 5 hours, canceled our flights. But most importantly, this is gonna de-stress me. It's gonna help me sleep better tonight, whew, and rest, and really feel good tomorrow. And that's what you really always need to remember about exercise. You may not be able to give your best effort, but something is always better than nothing. And that's what I tell myself. 3, 2, 1, we're going into plank hold. Never, ever, ever underestimate how much impact just a little bit of movement, a little bit of exercise will have on your body and your overall mental health. That's what I remind myself every day. Now in this plank position, I want you nice and flat, squeezing your glutes, engaging your core. Pull that belly button up towards your spine, really squeeze those glutes. Now if you struggle with this, I want you to go on your knees and hold it, or take a break and hop back in when you can. Remember, when it gets tough, that's when the leanness really gets going. 2, 1, awesome work. Okay, next up is similar to the high knee, but we're gonna go squat. We're actually gonna drive our knee to our elbow now. So everything is going across the body. 10 seconds, here we go. Way to go everyone, 5 seconds. Come on, last couple minutes. 3, 2, 1, down. Drive that knee across, drive that knee across. Whew. There we go. 30 seconds to go. We've got one more exercise, and then you finish day 5. Day 5 of the leanness. You're gonna be really proud of yourself. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Enjoy those Friday Christmas events, or simply enjoy relaxing at home, knowing you've put in the work this week. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew. There we go. Okay, last one is hand to toe touch. So I'm in this wide stance position. You can see how wide my feet are, and I'm actually gonna go back and try my best to touch that toe. And what it's doing is engaging my core. 2, 1, while elevating that heart rate. Reaching across, working those obliques. And you're also stretching out and lengthening those muscles to get that flight out of those legs. Well, in my case anyways. Remember, squatties, to tag me if you do the Leanmas workouts at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. I love seeing everyone do them. And comment if you smash this first week. Let me know. 2, 1, woo! There we go, squatties. Just like that. That's another day. And before we go, I'm gonna show you some. Look at this. Right there. Those are the lean views. And that is what I'm gonna be able to enjoy tomorrow. Feeling good, feeling energized, feeling confident. All those views, all those activities that await me. And that's what really the leanness is all about. And it's no different in the holiday season. Every time you get a workout done, you are improving your mental, physical well-being, and you're gonna feel a